Buying a vehicle is one of the biggest monetary investments you'll ever make. With so much at stake, you may wonder if a powertrain warranty or any other type of warranty is worth the extra money. Let's answer some common questions about the topic, and then you can decide for yourself. Just like its name implies, a powertrain warranty applies to components that give your vehicle power, namely the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. When any of these systems fail, you could be in for some seriously expensive auto repairs. With a powertrain warranty, however, many of the more expensive components are covered. Things like internal engine and transmission parts, wheel bearings, the transfer case, and more. Warranties do vary, however, so be sure to read the fine print to find out what's not included. Only you can answer the question of whether or not a powertrain warranty is really necessary, but there are several things to consider before you do. For example, how long do you plan to keep your vehicle? If you like to trade in and buy new every couple of years, a powertrain warranty may not be worth the money. On the other hand, if you're one of those drive it till it drops people, a warranty like this that covers some major repairs can offer you significant peace of mind. You'll also want to do some research and find out how reliable your vehicle's make and model is. The better the track record, the less you may need to worry about expensive repairs and a warranty to cover them. Before you decide whether or not to buy a powertrain warranty, it's good to understand how much big repairs could cost if they're required and not covered by a warranty. Costs vary between auto repair shops and regions, but here's a quick list to give you a good idea of some costs you can expect to see. If these auto repair costs scare you, a powertrain warranty could decrease the worry. But if you have a hefty amount set aside in your budget for auto repairs, you may not need the warranty after all. In addition, some shops, including ours, offer auto repair financing options for fixes that are too big for your budget to handle. When it comes to peace of mind, we take it one step further at Good Works Auto Repair. We provide an industry-leading 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty for work we perform on your vehicle. For high-quality, professional repairs provided at a fair price, simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today. We go the extra mile, stand behind our work, and keep you rolling safely.